Good morning, folks, and welcome back. We're at Union Brook Farm today. Got a Kubota L4400 here, a little 45 horse tractor, and we're moving the mobile chicken coops, pasture raised chicken, around the pasture as we do every day. And we have an issue. See, what happened was the tire came off the rim. Didn't notice it was low. Drove around, and now it's tires right off the rim here. Tried putting some air in it. Obviously, with no bead, it's not gonna work. So, don't have an air tank to pop it back on. Don't feel like taking it off, bringing it in. You know, she's a workhorse. She did a lot of work around here, so we just gotta kind of keep her moving, right? Gonna show you a little technique here that you shouldn't do at home. You should never try this. You should never do this. It's terrible. But we're farmers, and this is how we do. So I'm gonna get set up for it. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to get this tire back on. Alright, now remember, everyone, this is an example of how not to do this. You have the tire that's off the rim completely. Okay? Grab your pot lighter. Some kind of flammable liquid. I got some non-chlorinated brake cleaner here. I'm just gonna spray some in this tire here and light it. It's on the rim. Now we can just go and plug in our little Milwaukee air compressor. Pump it up to the desired pressure.